I fix my lip at least? I can't tell what it look like. Wait, hold on, wait. I need to go to the washroom. I didn't even pee. It's fine, I don't need to. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chow. It's your girl, Cece. Today we are turning up the heat. We are making a very famous Sichuan Chinese dish, Mapo Tofu, also known as Mapo Tofu. This is a classic Chinese dish that I'm sure all of us probably have heard of and probably tried at least once. And if you haven't, don't worry, we're gonna make it with you today and you're going to absolutely love it. Let's get to it. So this dish, obviously tofu is in the name. It involves tofu. You have pork in here. If you're a vegetarian, you can also make a vegetarian version of this. But today we're going to make the classic style with the pork. So what you're going to start doing first is adding in Sichuan peppercorn. As I said, we're turning up the heat today. So what you want to do is toast up the Sichuan peppercorn into a nice wok. We're going to try today to not burn this wok like I did last time. We're going to just gently, just nicely toast it up until you can really start to smell the aromatics. Once you start to smell it, you're just going to take it off the heat. So this is looking good. We're going to take it off and we're going to add it into our mortar and pestle. So the reason we add in Sichuan peppercorn is because it adds that classic Malay flavor, that kind of like zingy flavor that you get when you eat the classic Sichuan dishes, and that's what we're going to add in. So once that has been toasted, use your mortar and pestle and finely grind it up like that, okay? Now that that's good, set that aside and let's start on everything else. Because this dish is a delicious stir-fried dish, it's very quick and easy to make. So you wanna make sure that you have all your ingredients prepped already. Everything that we're using today, I've already finely chopped up. So we're gonna start off with our classics, of course, the golden triad, which is the garlic, ginger, the shallots. That's what we're gonna do. Today we're using Grandma Chow's wok. Okay, we're gonna heat that up and we want it to get almost smoking, but not as smoking as we did last time. Whoa, it's on fire! I don't know what to do. Okay, so we're gonna add in that. Okay, what we're gonna do quickly, add in the onion, add in your garlic, and add in the ginger. We want to make sure that we have enough wok hay, so you want to add enough oil to help caramelize all of those aromatics. Here I'm just adding in some minced pork. Whenever I go to Chinese restaurants, this is always one of the dishes that I order because it is so good. It's spicy, it's delicious, it's heaty, it's just so good. What I'm doing here is I'm just crumbling up the pork nicely. And what I want to do to help caramelize the pork a little bit is I'm actually going to add in a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, probably like 1 teaspoon. This is not traditional, but this is my way of having the pork be a little bit more sweet, a little bit sticky, and have really delicious flavor. Okay, once it gets to this point, we're going to add in some chili peppers. So I have about 3 chilies here. We're just going to just carefully add that in. Maybe 1 more, because we want it hot. And like I said, we're turning up the heat. Okay, grab your Sichuan peppercorn. Okay, I'm a little bit short. I feel like I need to be a little bit taller for this. Okay, that's looking really good. And a little bit more of that oil. And we want to have that wok hay. And as we know, wok hay is the breath of the wok. It's that delicious caramelization of the sugars, the oils, all of that. And we're going to try to achieve that today. Let's talk about the next major ingredients for this dish. I'm just gonna add in just a couple more chilies, just a little bit, just to make it a little bit spicier. Okay, that's looking really, really good. That's exactly what we're looking for. I'm gonna add in a little bit more oil. And now let's talk about the next ingredients that are super crucial to this dish. The first one is the chili black bean sauce. This is a classic sauce that you're going to want to be using. You can get this at any Asian grocery store. I like to add a generous amount, so about 1 tablespoon of that in. And then the next key ingredient is black beans. So this is also called daosi. My mom used to use this all the time when she would make pork dishes. What we're going to do is we're going to add that in. It really complements pork dishes. This is what you want. This color, that's exactly what you want. Let's talk about the sauces. Dark soy sauce for color, okay? Oyster sauce for a little bit of flavor and umami. I'm gonna add a little bit of some chicken bouillon, just a little bit. Some sugar. We're going to also add in regular soy sauce. Chicken stock to help cook that down. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, that's exactly what you want. It's dark. You can also see the red, beautiful color of the chili seep out. And I also am going to add a little bit of some cooking wine. And we're gonna turn this up and we're gonna let this marinate nicely. Is there anything else I'm missing? Oh, salt, a little bit of salt. Okay. Okay, I think everything's in there. We're gonna close the lid and we're gonna just let that cook a little bit nicely. I wanna clean my board, you know, because I'm an actual chef now and you're supposed to have a clean kitchen is what I've been told. Let's talk about the tofu. Obviously in the name, Mapo Tofu, we need tofu. So here I am, I'm using some very smooth tofu. I've already run it under water just to help remove some of the extra preservatives in the tofu. And what we want to do is we want to slice it carefully in half with your knife, like that. And I like to have nice big chunks. So we're going to do maybe like 4 slices vertically, and then horizontally we're going to do about 3. Like that. Okay, so we're going to want to carefully add it in on top.
You're making Mapo Tofu.
Oh my gosh, hello.
This is one of my favorite dishes. I eat this all the time in Hong Kong.
Do you want to try it?
The bar is really high.
I'm really nervous. Okay, let me get you a spoon and he's gonna try this.
Smelling good.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Can I stir the tofu in?
Yes, you can do whatever you would like.
Oh.
Is it too hot?
We have this for star food at least once a week, if possible.
Okay, just try it and tell me if it's good. Too salty?
No. It's really nice. It's delicious.
You're lying.
No, I'm not. It is strong in seasoning though.
Too much?
Yeah, well once you put all the tofu through, it'll be fine. It'll balance it out.
And with the rice?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, what do you think? Is there anything you would do to fix it?
More tofu.
All right. Sounds good. Well, thanks for coming.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Okay, we're gonna add in the rest of the tofu. We're gonna let this heat up. And then we're gonna add in the slurry to help thicken the sauce. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Has it heated up yet? Okay, that looks amazing. And we're gonna add in the slurry. So, cornstarch, water. And then mix that up. You wanna be careful to not break up the tofu. I'm scooping it from the bottom of the pan. All right, and I think we're done. We're gonna turn that off and we're gonna use my grandma's clay pot and we're gonna serve with this. Okay, is it gonna spill? No, it's fine. We're gonna finish it with our scallion. And there you have it. Let's take a look. And look at that. It smells absolutely incredible. And we're gonna do a taste test. Okay, look at those beautiful chunks of tofu. Cheers. So hot. Absolutely delicious. You get the nice, tingly bites from the Sichuan peppercorn, and you really get that beautiful heat that comes from the dish. And that pork is absolutely delicious. It's caramelized, and that tofu is sweet. It really helps to balance the dish out and really help to round off that spice. Absolutely delicious, and now you know why it is a very popular tofu dish in China. As always, full recipe details will be below. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Chow, and we'll see you guys next time. Ciao for now. Oh, I forgot the closing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Ciao for now. Oh my God, you're scaring me. Hi Shane, how are you?
How you doing?
Wait, did you know that they were here the whole time?